let's do two-step equations. Number 1, 2a plus 4 equals 20. Okay, so any time in an algebraic equation you have a choice of getting this by itself, and you've got something next to it and something else at the side, choose the something else at the side. Don't touch the one that's attached to the variable. Always choose the thing by itself. It's so much easier. All right, so we've got a plus 4, which means if we want to get rid of that, we've got to take away 4. Because it's an equation, we need to take away 4 from both sides. Let's do that first. 2a, and we've got plus 4, take away 4, which is 0, equals 20, take away 4, which is 16. Okay, now this is easier, isn't it? We've got to make this into 1. What can I divide by 2a to make a 1? How do I make 2 into 1? Divide by itself, we divide by 2. Because it's an equation, what we do to one side, we've got to do to the other. So now we've got 2a divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, which leaves us with a. And 16 divided by 2, how many 2's fit into 16? 8. That's it. Now let's try by putting it back in. Let's rewrite it over here. 2a plus 4 is equal to 20. And then when a is equal to 8, when a is 8, 2 times 8 plus 4 is equal to 20. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 equals 20. Yes, it does. It works. Let's do number 2. 28 take away 4s is equal to 26. Okay, yeah, we want a positive variable if at all possible. We could divide by -4 if you're comfortable with that, but let's not go for that at the moment. Let's add 4s to both sides and rewrite it. 28, take away 4s, add 4s is 0, is equal to 26 plus 4s. Now, I want the 4s by itself, so I'm going to sort out this 26. So because it's a positive 26, because it doesn't say negative, I've got positive 26, take away 26, 26 take away 26 is 0. But what I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. So now we've got 28, take away 26 is equal to 26 take away 26 is 0, 4s. 28 take away 26 is 2. 2 equals 4s. I'm going to turn it around the other way because I like to have the variable on the left and I like it to be positive. Now, how do we make S1? How do we make 4 into 1? 4 divided by 4 equals 1. What we do to one side, So now we've got 4 divided by 4 is 1. We've got 1 lot of s equals 2/4. Can you rewrite 2/4 to make it simpler? As in the same fraction, but just simplify the numbers. Divide the top and bottom by 2, so that gives us a half. Well done. If I rewrite it, 28, take away 4, s is a half, 4 lots of a half is equal to 26. 28, take away, what's 4 times a half? A half, 2 halves are a whole, 3 halves, 1 1/2, 4 halves, 2 wholes. 28 take away 2 is 26. 26 is equal to 26. Yes, it is. Brilliant. Let's do number 3. Okay, well done. Just make sure that's up here somewhere. Oop. So we have 12x take away 19 is equal to 125. 12x take away 19 is equal to 125. I really like this because I have a positive variable. So I'm going to get rid of the 19. Because it's negative 19, I've got to make that into 0. So to make that into 0, I need to add 19. And it's an equation, so I've got to add it to both sides. So now I have 12x, negative 19 plus 19 is 0, equals 125 plus 19. Well, 19 is 1 less than 20. So 125 add 20 is 145, but I'm only adding 19, so it's 144. I know 144 is in the 12 times table, so that's good. Well, I need to make that into 1. 12 divided by 12 is 1, which leaves x. 144 divided by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1, so that leaves us with x, and 12 times 12 is 144. So I'm guessing that 12 times 12 is 144, so 144 take away 19 is equal to 125. 125, 135, 145, 144, yeah. Okay, so let's do number 4. And we have 14 divided by y plus 10 is equal to 17. Okay. Let's move the 10 first. We're going to take away 10 from both sides and rewrite it. Don't worry about how that looks at the moment. We can talk about it. 14 divided by y plus 10 take away 10 is 0 equals 17 take away 10. Let's write that again. 14 divided by y is equal to, I'm just going to bring it closer, it'll be more comfortable. 17 take away 10 is 7. Now, in the same way we've gotten rid of things before, we do the same. But what we want to do this time is turn that, get that to go to the top. All right, so if I multiply both sides by y, would that work or not? Oh, what we could do is we can multiply both sides by y. Then on this side, we have y divided by y times 14. On the other side, we've got 7 times by y. Y divided by y is 1. Because if y, okay, so if y was 5, y divided by y equals 5 divided by 5, which equals 1. If y is 14.7, then y divided by y is 14.7 divided by 14.7, and 14.7 divided by 14.7 is 1. So it's going to be 1. So we need to rewrite it now. 1 times 14 is 14 equals 7 times y is 7y. So let's get rid of that 7 and make it into 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1, which leaves us with y. And 14 divided by 7 is, how many 7s in 14? 2. So we've got y on that side and we've got 2 on that side. Or we could say y is equal to 2. So let's put it back in. Let's just go down because, so we think y is equal to 2. Let's have a look. So y equals 2 is what we think it is. And we had 14 divided by y plus 10 is equal to 17. So if y equals 2, let's put y is 2. So y is 2 plus 10 equals 17. 14 divided by 2, half of 14 is 7. 7 plus 10 equals 17. 7 plus 10 is 17. 17 equals 17. Yes, they do. Brilliant. And we've got one more. What number was that anyway? Was it 4 or 5? 4. Let's do another one. Okay. Let's make sure that's up here somewhere. Number 5. 22. Take away 6 divided by y is equal to 20. All right. Where do I go? I've got to do this first. And that's positive because it doesn't say a negative. It's got to be positive, which means I need to take away 22 from both sides. Or shall I move this? I think I'm going to move that. So let's rewrite it. 22, take away 6 divided by y is equal to 20. Is that right? 22, take away 6 divided by y equals 20. Okay. So I'm going to add 6 divided by y to both sides and rewrite it. 22, take away 6 divided by y plus 6 divided by y, gets rid of that, equals 20 plus 6 divided by y. Okay, so I want the okay, I think I need to move this first. So it's positive 20, so I'm taking away 20 from both sides. 22 take away 20 is 2. 20 take away 20 is 0. 6 divided by y. Right, I need the y coming up to the top, so I sort of need to multiply by y. If I multiply by y, I've got y divided by y, which is 1. So 2 times y is 2y, and 6y divided by y is 6. Make that into 1. And because I've done that to one side, I've got to do it to the other. 2 divided by 2 is 1, which leaves us with y. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Let's rewrite it over here. I'll choose a different colour. Have I got that right? Yeah. 22 take away 6 divided by 3 equals 20. 22 take away how many 3s and 6? 2 equals 20. 22 take away 2 is 20. Does 20 equal 20? Yes, it does. Brilliant. Okay, that's that for two-step equations. Very well done. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.